Infinix, the best Infinix phones offer plenty of features to users and it is the most budget-friendly smartphone company. The company rose to fame with its reliable smartphones but has now extended its services to powerful laptops as well. With its wide choice of affordable and premium mobile phones available in the market, the company ensures a smartphone for audience of all types. The best Infinix mobiles are a mix of both hardware and features. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing latest and the best Infinix smartphones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Infinix phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new phone, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G is the best 5G smartphone. The smartphone features a beautiful 6.7-inch display with a full HD plus resolution and offers pretty good AMOLED display for the price. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, this smartphone can handle multitasking easily and the Note 12 Pro 5G packs a battery of 5000 mAh that comes with a fast charging support. Coming to the cameras, this smartphone comes with a 108MP camera that takes very detailed pictures and also there is a 16MP of front selfie camera that takes decent selfies. You can buy this smartphone for its amazing display quality. 108MP primary camera takes good pictures and the design is also good. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Infinix Note 12 5G. The Infinix Note 12 5G features a huge screen of 6.7 inches, offers great display quality. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset which is responsible for the excellent overall performance of the phone. The phone comes with a huge 5000 mAh of battery and comes with a 33W fast charging support. In terms of camera, you get a quad camera setup at the back comprising of 50MP primary camera that takes very detailed pictures and there is a 16MP of front selfie camera which takes decent selfies. You can consider this phone for its long-lasting battery life, beautiful AMOLED display and capable daylight camera performance. Infinix Note 12. Infinix Note 12 is again one of the best low-budget smartphone. It comes with a beautiful AMOLED screen, 6.7 inches display with a full HD plus resolution. It offers amazing display quality at this low price. Powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, this smartphone can handle multitasking easily. It packs huge 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a 33W fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, there is a triple camera setup at the back comprising of 50 megapixel primary camera that takes detailed pictures and 16 megapixel front selfie camera that is decent. Buy this amazing smartphone for its vivid AMOLED display. 50MP primary camera for the price is really good and it has got excellent design. Infinix Hot 12 Play. The Infinix Hot 12 Play is known for its big 6000 mAh battery and smooth overall performance. Not only it comes with a big battery, it comes with a huge screen of 6.82 inches that comes with a HD resolution and it is powered by the powerful Infinix T610 chipset which is a low budget chipset, performs decently. Coming to the battery, which is very huge, not only it comes with a huge battery, it also comes with a 10W fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, cameras are very decent here. It comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera that takes not decent but low quality pictures. Also there is an 8 megapixel front selfie camera which also takes not so beautiful pictures. Buy this amazing smartphone that offers decent overall performance and this is a low budget smartphone that offers 6000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. That is an amazing thing about this smartphone. Infinix Smart 6 Plus. Infinix Smart 6 Plus is a huge phone that comes with a 6.82 inches of screen with a HD resolution. It offers a decent quality display for the price. Powered by powerful MediaTek Helio G25 chipset, the smartphone can handle day-to-day tasks easily and the Infinix Smart 6 Plus packs a huge battery capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 10W charging. Coming to the cameras, the smartphone packs 8 megapixel plus AI lens at the rear and there is a 5 megapixel camera at the front. This is the cheapest Infinix phone that offers great specification for the low price. Buy this amazing smartphone, for it comes with a gigantic 6.82 inches display, offers huge battery capacity and good design. So these are the 5 amazing Infinix phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.